In this video, we will see how to rehand the Falcon MA series mortise lock. Rehanding the Falcon MA series has three aspects: lever handing, latch orientation, and lock case handing. We will discuss each of these three in this video. It is important to note that the MA series has both a left hand and a right hand lever. When installing the levers, be sure to have the correct handing on the correct side of the door. The Falcon MA series has two handing screws on a single side of the lock case. When changing which side of the lock is the locking function, remove the handing screws from the one side and reinstall them on the opposite side as shown in the video. To change the orientation of the latch on the MA series, using a hex wrench, remove the hex screw from the latch. Once the screw is removed, pull the latch from the chassis and rotate 180 degrees and reinstall. Reinstall the hex screw on the opposite side of the chassis as shown. With the chassis rehanded and the latch oriented properly, you can now reinstall your lock in the door. When installing the levers, check the lever handing to ensure they are on the correct side of the door.